For question 1, the first question asks us to expand and simplify. And so we need to remember that we need to multiply each term in one bracket by all the terms in the other bracket. So 2x times x is 2x squared. Then we multiply 2x by the other term in the second bracket, giving us negative 10x. Then the second term, negative 3, we multiply by x. And then the negative 3 multiplies with negative 5, giving us positive 15. To simplify and finish this question, we need to add terms together that still need to be simplified, and the negative 10 and the negative 3 can be added together, and so that gives us negative 13x, adding with the other terms, and that is your full 2 marks for that question. When you're asked to factor an expression, you're asked to divide out the largest possible number that can be divided into 15x and negative 10, or the greatest common factor of both of those. Only one of those terms has an x, so actually the greatest common factor is going to be a number, and the greatest common factor is 5. So that's leaving behind 3x. When we divide the 5 by both of these numbers, divide by 5, we get 3x, divide by 5, we get minus 2. And so those are the 2 terms that you should have in that question. We asked to rearrange a equals pi r squared to make r the subject. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to notice that the pi and the r squared are multiplied together. So we're going to divide by pi on both sides to get rid of it. And so you're going to get a over pi equals r squared. And then the next and last step, we notice that r is squared, and so we're going to square root both sides, and what you're going to end up with is r equals, and then square root of the complete fraction a over pi. And so your 2 marks are for that question. It's possible that you might get part marks if one of those operations was correct,